Ever wondered how to add music, delete sounds, adjust volume, or create perfect fades in Canva? In just a few minutes, I'll teach you all the audio tips and tricks you need to know to make your movies even better. Now I'm inside Canva. I've already opened up a new blank video project. I've got one page open down here. Let's talk about audio, sounds, and music, and being able to add those to our videos. So, I'm going to start here and choose this bird video. I'll put it here. There's no sound with it. So, let's fix that. I could come down here to audio and search for birds singing. In here, you'll see all these different sounds that are included in Canva. If you clicked on any of these, you can hear exactly what they are. If you want to add a sound to the video, here's how to do it. Sounds that have the crown are included in the Pro plan, so you must have to have the paid plan to be able to use them. Free sounds do not have a crown. Let's pretend we want to use this sound here. You can see how long it is there. And this shows you how long the video is. They don't match up, but that's okay. We can work around that. So if I want to use this sound, I'll make sure my playhead is right where I want the sound to be added. But I'll show you two ways you add sounds. One, you can drag it where you need it to be. That's one way. Secondly, just make sure the playhead is where the sound needs to go, then click on the sound box here, and Canva adds it. So if I wanted to upload my own bird song, here's how I would do it. Go to Upload Files, click on it, then click on the file here, and now it's uploaded. So, in order to add it to my video, I'm going to make sure my playhead is in the right spot, then click on this. Okay, so that's how it works. So, you can drag in your own files to use in your videos, or you can use the ones that are inside Canva. So, take your pick. Now, let's go to the next step. For this section, I'll show you how to adjust audio tracks. So I'm going to go to Videos and choose a snowing one. Now I'd like to add some music to it. I've already got a lot of music uploaded inside my Canva account, so I'll go to my Uploads area, go to Audio, and choose one of my music tracks. I found a song that I've used in some other videos, so I'll add it to this video. My playhead is at the beginning, and I'll click on this. Now you can see it's added. You can also see that it's a lot longer than my video, but for this lesson, I'll leave it as is and make a few adjustments. So that works. What if I wanted to make it louder? How do I do that? I'll show you. Come here, right-click on the audio file, go to Volume. Now you can make it louder or softer. At the end, it stops very abruptly. Can that be fixed? Yes, it can. Come up here and click on Fade or Fade Out. You can see that much lighter pink area right there at the end. That's the fade out. If I fade it out, you'll see how it's shifting and changing it, so it's fading it out over time. You can also fade in, so if you want to do the same thing on the front end, you do that here. Fades are really helpful when you're trying to make the sound more professional without stopping in the middle of a sentence, song, or words. They also make your video sound much more professional. Now, we're going to talk about deleting sounds. So imagine you have a video with sound, and you don't want it. So I'll put this video in here with sound. Now imagine I really like the video, but I didn't want the sound of the waves. One way you could remove the audio is to come in here, click on this, go up to audio, and either lower it or click here to mute it. So that's one way you can delete audio tracks from videos. Then, you can always go back in and add in new sounds or music, using the methods that I've already showed you. I encourage you to experiment with Canva's audio tools. Whether it's background music, narration, or sound effects, a little audio magic can make your designs truly unforgettable. Try it out and let me know what you create. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.